it's me again, Agent Laika. So for today's video, ay i-discuss ko sa inyo kung magkano nga ba ang total contract price and ang possible monthly amortization ng isang unit dito sa Urban Deca Homes Ortigas. And this sample computation is for 30.60 square meter na 2-bedroom unit. Ang total contract price for this unit is 2,995,800. And all-in na po ito. No hidden charges. Kasama na po dyan ang transfer of title, miscellaneous fees, and taxes. So dahil naka-promo si Pag-ibig, ang project na ito is zero down payment. At ang inyong magiging initial cash out is 10,000 only. Yes! As in, 10K lang po. Ano po? So that 10,000 reservation fee is ang magsisilbi nyo